Wi-Fi antennas are a common upgrade for desktops, mini PCs, gaming rigs, IP cameras, and network devices that rely on stable, high-throughput wireless links. As Wi-Fi 6/6E adoption grows, the value of wideband, high-gain, and easy-to-install external antennas becomes more apparent for reducing dead zones and improving signal fidelity in cluttered environments.
Product number 1.
Bingfu dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5/5.8 GHz, 3 dBi, MIMO, RP-SMA male Bluetooth antenna for PC, computer, Wi-Fi router, wireless network card, USB adapter, security IP camera, video surveillance monitor. The Bingfu 2-pack delivers a budget-friendly upgrade with dual-band coverage, 2.4 GHz and 5/5.8 GHz, and a modest 3 dBi gain per antenna. Packaged as a 2-pack with RP-SMA male connectors, these antennas target versatility across routers, USB adapters, mini PCIe cards, and IP cameras. The omnidirectional pattern simplifies deployment, and the documented 50 ohm impedance aligns with standard Wi-Fi gear. While not designed for extreme gains, the value is compelling for users seeking immediate coverage improvements without shelf space concerns or complicated mounting. In practical use, the 3 dBi gain offers incremental throughput and a modest range extension, particularly in cluttered apartments or small offices. Because these antennas are omnidirectional, you won't need precise aiming, which is advantageous for multi-device environments. Compatibility notes emphasize RP-SMA male without pin, so users should verify their device's connector and pin configuration to avoid misfit. The 2-pack pricing under $6 makes this a starter option for systems with weak 2.4 GHz or congested 5 GHz bands, though you should temper expectations for long-range or high-throughput scenarios.
Product number 2. External Wi-Fi 6/6E tri-band antenna, 6 GHz, 5.8 GHz, 2.4 GHz magnetic base replacement antenna for PC desktop computer, Asus ROG Strix Gigabyte RS Gaming Wi-Fi motherboard card. SlinkDSco's 9 dBi tri-band external antenna targets Wi-Fi 6/6E ecosystems with a high-gain omni pattern and a magnetic base for flexible placement. The dual 6.5-foot cable length and RP-SMA male connector provide broad compatibility with gaming desktops, PCIe cards, and motherboard Wi-Fi modules. The 9 dBi gain promises meaningful uplink-downlink improvements, especially on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, and the 6 GHz coverage adds headroom for Wi-Fi 6E deployments. Performance-wise, the antenna's omnidirectional design avoids the need for targeting while allowing elevated placement to mitigate obstruction losses. For gaming setups or home offices with multiple devices, this model can noticeably improve signal reliability and reduce latency when paired with a capable router and a Wi-Fi 6/6E client. The magnetic base is a practical convenience, though users should ensure the base is clean and properly secured to minimize vibration or detachment. The 4.5-star experience on average reflects solid real-world performance with reasonable post-purchase support.
Product number 3. 9 dBi Wi-Fi 6/6E tri-band 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz plus 6 GHz magnetic base gaming antenna for Wi-Fi 6/6E router, PC desktop computer, PCIe card, Bluetooth gaming motherboard. This premium Ifegor 9 dBi tri-band antenna emphasizes Wi-Fi 6/6E performance with a robust 9 dBi boost across 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands and an omnidirectional radiation pattern. The RP-SMA male connector with a 6.5-foot RG174 lead offers flexibility for desktop builds, gaming rigs, and PCIe card integrations. The narrative around 6 GHz performance suggests improved throughput and stability in congested environments where 6E devices are present. From a user experience perspective, compatibility with Asus ROG and Gigabyte series Wi-Fi gaming motherboards makes it a natural upgrade path for enthusiasts seeking a straightforward boost to gaming and streaming. However, the higher price point at $1999 should be weighed against the actual benefit of 6 GHz access, which remains region-dependent and router-dependent. For power users who already operate on Wi-Fi 6 6E, the gain can translate into more consistent connections and reduced buffering in busy homes.
Product number 4. Bingfu Dual Band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 5.8 GHz, 3 dBi MIMO RP SMA male antenna, 4-pack for Wi-Fi router, wireless network card, USB adapter, security IP camera, video surveillance monitor. The 4-pack option extends the 2-pack concept into a higher density kit, delivering the same 2.4/5.0/5.8 GHz dual band 3 dBi gain antennas in a 4-pack. This is particularly appealing for users who must equip multiple devices or replace several aging antennas on rack-mounted routers, IP cameras, or PoE devices. The packaging and pricing align with multi-device deployments, offering uniform performance across installations. In practice, these are suitable for environments requiring consistent, repeatable antenna coverage across several access points or cameras. The 4-pack design makes maintenance straightforward and cost-effective for small businesses or enthusiasts managing multiple nodes. As with other RP-SMA male no-pin variants, verify connector compatibility with each device's female port to ensure a secure mechanical and electrical fit. Product number 5. Wi-Fi Antenna PC Bluetooth Antenna. Ridosi offers a 2-pack that mirrors the Bingfu Budget Anti-Pin pinless RP-SMA design with a 3 dBi gain across dual bands. The emphasis on Wi-Fi 6 adaptation and broad compatibility with gaming boards, RV cameras, and mini PCIe/M.2 wireless cards positions this as a versatile upgrade for mixed-use systems. The no-pin RP-SMA male connector keeps compatibility simple for many devices while maintaining a compact form factor. From a performance standpoint, the 3 dBi gain provides incremental improvements in dense environments, but should not be mistaken for high-gain solutions. The 2-pack pricing keeps this option accessible for users needing 2 antennas for dual-band coverage or a pair for redundant connections on multiple devices. Mounting flexibility and swivel capability are practical for fine-tuning, though the absence of pin can matter for devices with pin-based RP-SMA female connectors.